understanding was that we were each assigned a specific yama and niyama to speak to, so I prepared. I didn't really prepare that well to speak about Asteya, which means non-stealing. And the sutra, Patanjali gives us these yamas, and he also devotes another sutra to talk about what happens if you actually uphold these or embody these particular principles. So regarding Asteya, he says, Asteya pratistayam sarva ratna upastam. What does that mean? Pratistayam means to be firmly established in. Sarva, that one? Sarvangasana, same word. What does it mean?
All?
It means all. Sarva ratna, ratna. Ratna means a gem, a jewel. Upasthana means will come near to us or will come to us. So Patanjali suggests if we practice Asteya or non-stealing that all jewels will come to us. So what does that mean then? Diamonds and rubies and emeralds will start falling out of the sky into our pockets? Maybe. Maybe Ratna is meant to be more metaphorical in this case. Eddie was talking about this concept of entanglement, and I think one of the things, or one of the principles of entanglement is what we would call the law of karma. And you know about the law of karma, right? It says basically that everything we do will come back to us in kind. Or what does the Bible say? Something, as ye sow, so shall ye reap. Something like that. So, if we steal, we have to look at what kind of a message we're sending to the universe. What kind of a message are we sending? Basically, a couple of messages. One of the messages is there's not enough to go around. I live in a universe of scarcity. Also, I don't respect these other beings or their possessions. So what is returned to us as a result of this action? If we give to the universe the message that scarcity is the law in the universe, what gets returned to us is scarcity. If we disrespect other people by stealing from them, what is it that gets returned to us? Yeah, we get ripped off too. But Asteya is not just about taking other people's stuff, like after yoga class, you see this really nice pair of flip-flops. That's a significant upgrade from your own pair. You don't think anyone will notice it. I just bought this really nice pair of flip-flops I'm really attached to, they arches and they're really comfortable. And I leave them out there every day trusting that they're still going to be there. And so far, so good. Everyone's practicing Asteya to this point in regards to my flip-flops. But Asteya is also about stealing people's time, stealing people's energy, stealing people's ideas. In a sense, when we do the invocation that we do before practice, it's acknowledging the source of the practice. So in a sense, we're not stealing the practice by acknowledging the source. Sometimes you take a yoga class and the teacher gives a really beautiful metaphor or tells a really funny joke or something like that, and then you're teaching your own class and you use the same metaphor, you tell the same joke. If you don't acknowledge the source, guess what? You're stealing. We would actually like to get beyond just yama and niyama today. So I'm going to cut my remarks short because I would much rather listen to Eddie talk than but we still have David to hear from on a subject that he's quite familiar with. Having spent, how many years did you spend as a Hare Krishna?
5, but it felt like much more.